Well, welcome home, buddy. There it is. So stoked. Ooh, yeah. Not cooking, but it's hot. You gotta see this. It's so cute. Just got here, and just enough sunlight to film a little bit, so that's perfect. As you see, I don't know if you can see that. We've got a little target here. We've got all the equipment. I'm gonna set this guy up right here. Let's take him right out here by this thing and arrange him. And he's so cute. Well, welcome home, buddy. Let's see. This is from the truck. 41 yards. I'm gonna do a shot without the suppressor, the muzzle brake, shoot a couple times to see how the muzzle brake affects the shot, because before I just had a flash hider on there. Then we'll move up to the suppressor. Sounds good. We have the ASR muzzle brake on there, and we're going to be shooting just regular 5.56. Hearing protection. Boo. So the muzzle brake actually makes a huge difference. I'm actually really surprised. I like that a lot. So if I ever need to shoot without my suppressor or I don't have it, that muzzle brake is sweet. Putting the Omega on. Screw it right on, nice and tight. And then lock it down. I mean, I've never heard a suppressor myself in real life, and so this is going to be a new experience for me. Let's try it. I'm impressed. Anytime I shoot this gun, obviously unsuppressed, without ears on, without hearing protection on, my ears ring. It sucks. And this makes it so I don't have to wear that, and that's amazing. So go hearing protection. SilencerCo Omega, everybody. I'm going to set the target at about 100 yards downrange, and I'm going to put the camera near it. We're going to get the sound from when I shot close by, and then we'll hear it downrange at 100 yards. And I can go further, but I don't have a lot of daylight, so I just want to do this little experiment and listen for myself on the camera.